Hi, my name is Arslan Khan. I am the head of the sports department at Sceptre College. I have experience of 15 plus years in various sports as a coach and as a player with various achievements in different sports such as football, basketball, cricket and more. Sceptre believes in giving wings to their students in every field and I am responsible to make them fly when it comes to sports. We acknowledge their hard work towards sports and I believe a student should be an all-rounder who knows how to excel in everything. We give scholarships up to 100% which you can avail after giving your trial where me and my team will assess you. However, no one is born a sportsman. So if you have the determination and passion and lack the skill in some way, me and my team will train you and make sure that you excel in every sport. So, what are you waiting for? Come and avail your scholarship. We'll be glad to host you and make sure that you achieve your goals. Thank you so much.